How to create WeChat account. So let's get started. Creating WeChat account involves several steps including a security verification process that may require assistance from an existing WeChat user. First of all, visit the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and install the WeChat app on a mobile device. Once installed, tap on the Open and open the WeChat app on your mobile device. Now here on the login page, you can see login and sign up button available there. Simply tap on the sign up in the green box. Once you choose sign up, you will get to see options available on a screen. Some options like sign up with Facebook or sign up with Apple may be available. Using your mobile number simplifies the process. Here I am choosing the sign up with Apple because this process is pretty easy for me. Now enter your details, provide your full name, confirm your country or region, and also you will have to enter your active phone number. Note that each phone number can register only one WeChat account. Then create a secure password. Once all done, agree to the terms of service by checking the corresponding box and simply tap on the done or sign up to proceed. Once all your enter details is confirmed, you will be navigated to accept the privacy policy of WeChat. Here, all you have to do is review WeChat's privacy protection summary and check the box indicating your agreement, then tap on the next option available there. Now, once done so, complete the security verification. You will have to follow the on-screen instructions, which may include solving a CAPTCHA by sliding a puzzle piece into a place or simply choosing the correct image. Simply choose one and that is it. After that, you will have to verify your mobile phone number. A code will be sent to your number. Enter the code and tap on the next option available there, and you will be navigated to your WeChat account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.